Hello and welcome to the Elvatech channel. Today we are going to explore how to measure coating thickness using our ProSpector 3 handheld analyzer. Whether you are in automotive, aerospace, or manufacturing industries, knowing the exact thickness of your coating is crucial for ensuring product quality and performance. Coating thickness analysis helps you understand not only the composition of the material, but also how well it's protected. From corrosion resistance to decorative coatings, understanding the thickness can save on production costs and ensure that your product meets the required standards. Coating thickness analysis is the method that allows us to measure how thick a protective or decorative layer is on different materials. Whether it's metal, plastic, or glass, XRF analysis provides precious data about the coating without damaging the object. With XRF, we can measure coatings like gold on copper, chrome on steel, or nickel over iron, and many other combinations. This analysis is crucial because the thickness of these coatings directly impact the performance, durability, and safety of the product. For manufacturers, knowing the exact thickness of a coating helps control production costs. Coatings should be just thick enough to serve their purpose, but over-applying increases expenses. With XRF, you can measure coatings with precision, ensuring quality and cost efficiency. Coating thickness analysis using XRF technology is applied across many industries. In the automotive industry, for example, coatings are used to protect metal parts from corrosion, while in the aerospace industry, coatings reduce drag and protect against debris buildup. In metallurgy, coatings used to increase the durability of metal parts. Whether it's zinc on steel or nickel on iron, precise coating measuring ensures that the material can withstand harsh environment and maintain its strength over time. Coating thickness analysis is also crucial for industries like jewelry, where thin layers of gold or silver are applied to change appearance while minimizing materials use. XRF ensures that the coating is uniform and within acceptable thickness limits. Now, let's see how XRF technology actually measures coating thickness. When you use ProSpector 3, the device emits X-rays that penetrate the layer of material. The X-ray excites the atoms in the coating, causing them to emit energy in the form of fluorescence emission. This emission is then captured by the analyzer and translated into a spectrum. Each element in the coating has its own unique signature in the spectrum, allowing the analyzer to determine both the composition and the thickness of the coating. This method works for a wide range of coatings and base materials, regardless of shape and condition. So, whether you are measuring a single layer coating like gold on copper or multiple layers like nickel on steel, ProSpector 3 provides precise, reliable results every time. One of the key advantages of using ProSpector 3 for coating thickness analysis is its portability. This handheld analyzer is easy to carry and it's lightweight, meaning you can conduct measurements directly on site without moving or disassembling the object. ProSpector 3 is designed to work with objects of various shapes and sizes, from large industrial parts to small, delicate pieces. The flexibility makes it ideal for use in the field or in the production line. While handheld analyzer may not always match the precision of larger industrial models, ProSpector 3 offers remarkable accuracy for a handheld device. It delivers fast, reliable results that help you maintain control over your production process. Compared to other handheld analyzers like those using laser or optical emission, XRF technology offers a wider testing surface and more precise results, especially when working with the variety of materials and coatings. So for analysis, we have one piece that actually has the gold on copper. Also, we have zinc on ferrum, nickel on ferrum, and we have argentum on copper. So basically silver. And so let's start step by step, and we'll start with the nickel. We have the sample, we know actually the thickness, it shows us here, and just let's proceed with our measurements. Alright, so as soon as we took our device and we just powered it on, all we need to do is to select the right calibration in our calibration menu. Here we have plating thickness. Just let's enter it. Then we'll go to the option to make sure we have the right appropriate duration. We have 5 seconds as usual, and its time will be enough for us to show you how actually it works. And also, as we know the material of a layer, we go again to option, select plating is the very top option here. And then we can select, as we have nickel, and we know it, we select it as nickel. Alright, so everything is ready. Let's start our analysis. Yes, we position the device on our object, and our camera that built it up in the nose of the device is very helpful here. It allows us to see that we actually cover all the area that we need to measure, and actually this is the right area. So positioning, check-in, ready to start. Alright, and we have our result. So it's showing us that we have a layer of nickel of 23.3 nanometers, and it's actually laying on a ferrum. And looking at our result here and on the probe, everything is exactly correct. Alright, so our next sample is gonna be zinc on ferrum. Again, we need to go to the options, to the plating, and then select zinc here, right? And we are good to measure it. Let's just check our composition here, thickness of a layer that actually we already posted here. And let's measure. It's actually 21.4. So let's see what we will get. Alright, and now we have our second result. And looking precisely here, we have the zinc and in amount 22.1 nanometers. And here with the appropriate error of 0.8. And here we have 21.4 nanometers. So actually we are fit in. And now let's move to some of our precious. We have here argentum on copper, and let's measure it here first. Now we move in again to the plating and selecting argentum here. So as it's going to be argentum layer, the silver one, and now just let's position our device. Yes, here we can spot again the place where we should take it and start our analysis. Alright, and we have our third result, and it was our first precious metals. And we have here as posted on the sample itself, the actual the thickness of the layer is 19.1 nanometers, and what we have here is 19.4. So we absolutely fit in this. And again, for precious metals, it's especially important that the layer is provided accurately and precisely, because otherwise it's definitely waste of money and wrong production. So we are done with the silver one, and now let's move to the golden. We have the gold again on copper. This is the most precious one we have, and let's select it. In the plating that we know this is the gold. Here we select aurum and then preparing for analysis. As we position everything correctly, now we can measure it. Alright, and here we have our result, and the device showing us that the layer is pretty thick and it's actually just 1.81 nanometers here, with the really small error and just 0.05. Alright, and here we have a spostat is just 1.78. So with the appropriate error in 0.05, we absolutely fit in, as the difference just about 0.03. As you just saw, ProSpector 3 delivers fast and accurate results in a wide range of real-world applications, from industrial parts to highly valued items like jewelry. In conclusion, coating thickness analysis with the ProSpector 3 handheld XRF analyzer is the fast, reliable, and non-destructive way to ensure that your coating meets the highest standards. Whether you are in automotive, aerospace, or jewelry industry, this tool helps you maintain product quality while keeping production costs under control. With its portability, accuracy, and ability of measuring coatings on the wide range of materials and surfaces, ProSpector 3 is the ideal solution for both in-field and lab-based analysis. It delivers the precision and speed whenever you need it. That's all for today, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about ProSpector 3 and how it can help your business, feel free to reach to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials on XRF technology. And be sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Stay tuned and see you soon.